Brilliant. No problem, no problem. That's his stuff. Now my 2 minutes. My 2 minutes without interruption. First of all, he did not give an answer why sleeping with one's mother is wrong. He keeps saying science says that. Science doesn't say anything about sleeping with one's mother. Science has nothing to say with sleeping with one's mother. Science simply says if you sleep with a human being, another human being, this will happen. That will happen.
So why
wait. It doesn't. I didn't interrupt you. It doesn't say why it's wrong or why it's right. It doesn't say that. So science is not his defense. He has no answer. The conclusion is he has no answer. Second point he raised. Your Quran says you can sleep with your child. If the your Quran. Wait. You when you marry, you sleep. Do you have a wife?
No,
do you have a wife? Do you have a wife? Do you sleep with her? Do you sleep with her? Okay, clearly you sleep with your wife, right? If you're married. So he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child, right? I want him to now. If you are fair, everyone listening, I want him to pull out the ayah from the Quran, the verse where it says you can marry your child. If he does not pull that out, then know that this guy is not only a lame Zionist, a lame BJP apologist, he's a liar also, like the BJP propagandists and all the Zionist scumbags. He's a liar. He's a liar who's lying upon our faith because they can do nothing but lie. And today is his exposure day. All the Muslims of India, spread this. This is janazah for this guy who claims things online, and when he's faced with challenges, he has nothing. He's going to pull out the ayah from the Quran now and time up. Time up. It's your time.
I'm taking the words.
Yeah. Start his time. 2 minutes.
No, just
when you make a claim, you should have the verse on your fingertips. You should know the verse. Start his time.
Started already, yeah? 1 minute.
No. It's not. Let me take the words, then you can start the time.
Now I knew I didn't want to debate. He doesn't.
This is why these people don't want to debate. They know when faced with Muslims who study their faith,
1 minute, 10
they have
seconds
nothing but embarrassment. He doesn't even know science, he doesn't know philosophy, he doesn't know why he's ex-Muslim, he doesn't even know anything about Islam, because he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child. I want that verse. The Quran saying you can marry your child. I want that verse now.
30 seconds left.
Or apologize to all the Indian Muslims.
We got it.
All the Indian Muslims in India, you have been demonizing and dehumanizing. Apologize to them. Say, I'm sorry.